What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chef Com, back again with another video. Today we're going to be looking at some street food recipes. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to make potato cheese quesadilla pancakes, one of the famous, crispy, juicy, delicious street foods around town. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out whenever we post a new video. Also, don't forget to share and comment down below what recipe you want to see next. Let's get into the video. Alright, for the start, we're going to need these ingredients, such as 1 big Irish potato, 1 large carrot, onion, scallions, mushrooms, black pepper, garlic powder, salt, 2 eggs, flour, 250 grams of chicken breast, cream and cheese. We start off by grating 800 grams of Irish potato in a bowl or any container. In the same bowl or container, grate 1 large carrot, add 3 grams of salt, that's half teaspoon, 3 grams of black pepper, if you need it. In the same bowl, add 2 eggs, add 5 grams of plain flour, those are like 2 teaspoons, and mix all the ingredients together. On the side, set our pan on medium-low heat, then on it add 10 grams of cooking oil. It can be vegetable oil or any cooking oils in your possession. Then leave it to warm up. So we're ready to begin adding our mix in the pan. We scoop up bits of the mixture and place it onto the heated pan. Then spread it evenly throughout to create this round shape you're seeing right here. Let it fry for about 2 minutes before flipping it onto the other side. Allow the other side to also fry for 2 minutes. Then remove it, put it on the side. We go put back our pan on heat and add 10 grams of cooking oil and leave it to warm up. On the side, we begin slicing up our piece of chicken, then proceed with dicing it up into small pieces. We get these pieces and fry them on our already heated pan. While frying, add 3 grams of salt, 3 grams of paprika, 3 grams of garlic powder, and mix them together to create this golden brown chops you see here. When ready, remove the pan from heat and pour our chicken into a bowl. Clean the pan, or if you have another pan, put it back on heat and add 10 grams of cooking oil and let it heat up. On the side, you're going to dice an onion into smaller pieces and put them on the pan to fry. Also chop up some mushrooms and add them to the pan. Mix well and add 150 grams of cream and stir well to mix. Add black pepper, then leave it to boil. When ready, remove the pan and pour our mushrooms in the bowl of chicken. Chop 10 grams of scallions and pour it into the bowl of chicken and mushrooms. Then mix together till everything is soaked. Then we finalize by adding our mix onto the potato patty. Then add some cheese. For me, I'm using mozzarella cheese. Fold it up like tacos and add cheese on top. Place them on a baking tray and bake them under heat of 185 degrees C or 365 degrees F for 10 to 15 minutes. Now that our potato cheese quesadilla pancakes are ready and sweet, it's time to enjoy it. Bon appetit. Let me know down in the comments whether you managed to recreate it. If so, did you like it? And also suggest what I should do in the next video. Also, don't forget to like the video. Let's get this video to 100 likes. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Let us reach 500 subs before the end of this month. I'm also going to be doing post notification shutouts to my subscribed members. What you got to do is subscribe to this channel with post notifications on, then leave a comment with # post notification gang to win a shutout. I will be announcing the post notification gang members in the next video. Love y'all. Peace. I'm out.